Okay, Robin, some good stuff here. We talked about some stuff. Number one, with the grip. If we just get our left hand over where you can see 3 knuckles, it's going to cure a couple things with that grip. Your right hand looks really, really good there. But I need your V of your left hand to match up with the V of the right, okay? You need to look down, be able to see 3 knuckles. It just needs to be over. Make sure the heel pad's on top. I also need you from the setup to let your left foot flare out a little bit to help you turn, because we can see we have really 0 hip rotation through impact. Guys, remember, the impact, you want 45 degrees open with the hips, not square, okay? Now, your backswing, the biggest thing on the backswing, your head has to move, turn to the right. So, the bill of your cap will actually turn as you swing back. That'll free up room to swing your shoulder. I don't want you to keep your head so still where you're reverse seeing, okay? So, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. You can see here how you get into a reverse C position because your head is so still. Notice how it doesn't really start turning laterally or rotating till about right here when your shoulder hits it, right? So you can see how your upper body is kind of in what we call this reverse C position, right? Where your upper half of your spine is closer to the target than your lower half. We always want the lower half closer, so that should be flipped. And that'll do that when you start turning correctly. A great drill for you is a turn drill. Mike will show you, but that'll help you learn that position at the top. This you can say drill, turn drill. That'd be on the backswing page. Now, flip to your downswing page, Robin. We've got to learn to attack the ball from inside instead of from over the top. No one's ever showed you what it feels like. So we've got some drills to help you learn to attack from inside. Anybody, I'm sure everybody's told you, oh, you're coming over the top. Did it do you any good? No, it doesn't do you any good to know you're coming over the top. You got to know what it feels like to come from inside to fix it. Okay? So as you can see, everybody see how his right side stays really high? Okay, so that's the first, that right elbow should be under at this point. It should be down under that left arm. I should see the right elbow under the left. And you'll learn to do that. Now, the downswing. At this point, the downswing is a slight slide and a huge turn, okay? What you're doing is absolutely nothing except hitting with the arms. Because when you get to impact, so the club, you lose this angle on the club should still be back here. That'll help when you start coming from inside. But more than anything, at impact, we're totally flat-footed. There's no hip rotation. There's no transfer of the weight. So we're going to learn to transfer the weight, rotate you don't have to write any of this down, and you can just write down a drill. Step and turn drill will help you learn to do that. Step and turn drill. So at impact, remember, we want a little bit of air under the right heel. The hips should be open or facing the target, about 45 degrees. 80% of your weight to 90% of weight should be on that left foot at impact. Now, then the last thing we're going to work on is once you get that and learn to swing the club, you can see, where's he hitting, guys? He's hitting 3 inches behind, right? So don't forget to pick a spot up here and try to brush and swing through the ball, okay? But once you get your weight over here, that's going to happen a lot easier. You probably do that a lot here behind it. Yeah. So then we've got to teach you how to rotate. Absolutely no rotation, no transfer of weight or anything on a swing. So we'll teach you all that. But not bad there, okay? And the thing we're never going to have to worry about you is hitting it far. I mean, you're a strong guy. You're going to hit it farther than you ever thought you could when you learn to use your body efficiently, okay?